Hey guys, what's up? Jake Bresson here with Bresson Painting. I just wanted you guys to know about this product that is available, MiracleWipes. This is a product that I stand behind that we use all the time on job sites. So I just pulled one out here, and on one side of the wipe, it's coarse, it's almost gritty, and you can use that side for scrubbing. On the other side, it's nice and soft for your hands. If your hands have paint all over them, you can use that gritty side to scrub the paint off. Now, one thing, I was about to do this video because as I was just shooting another video for cleaning out my sprayer, I got some paint on my hoodie, and I hope you guys can see this here because this is what makes this video. If you guys know anything about paint and painting, you know that cleaning paint off clothing is extremely difficult. So, let me point this camera down here. So I was going to get some denatured alcohol out. That's what I have used in the past to clean paint spots off of clothing. Here's one spot right up here that I just started scrubbing at with the MiracleWipe. And to no avail, the MiracleWipe started removing it. Here's another spot right here. They don't look like big spots. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Alright, so here's a spot that I started scrubbing with the MiracleWipe, and it is coming off. Just as good, if not better, than using denatured alcohol. There's a tiny little bit right here still. It's gone. Alright, let's do this one down here. So this is a latex paint that it's removing from a cotton hoodie. And these products here, I found them at our Sherwin-Williams store. My Sherwin-Williams rep told me, hey, instead of wiping thinner all over your face after you get done spraying to clean the overspray off of your body, try these wipes. They're natural and they won't kill you over time slowly like paint thinner and denatured alcohol will. So there it is. Nice and cleaned up. I've got a little bit more down here. I was really sloppy today. Right here. My wife will be so happy that I'm doing my own laundry right now. This hoodie is still going to get put in the washing machine, but at least it won't have stains on it. There it is. There it is. I do have another one right here too. Can you see this? This might just be mud. Yeah, that's just mud. But there it is. Really awesome product. You know, if you guys have that DIY action going on at home, pick up a little tub of MiracleWipes here. It's almost, you know, similar to the disinfectant wipes you might buy for your kitchen. These are made in the USA. They are, let's read some things here about them. How to use: cleans hands, surfaces, and tools after application using MiracleWipes. Prepare surfaces before painting with MiracleWipes to remove dirt, grease, and grime and ensure even application of paint. You can wipe off remaining residue from surfaces with damp, wet cloth prior to painting. Add water to any job that requires heavy-duty cleaning. So yeah, that's another tip right there, that last one, add water. When I'm on the job site and I don't have any water to wash my hands, maybe I'll find a bottle of water in my truck that has just a tiny bit of water left in it, and my hands are coated in paint, and these just aren't cutting it. These do a really good job, but sometimes there's jobs that these aren't tough enough for. I'll take that water from my water bottle and pour just a couple drops onto these, and it will just start lathering foam everywhere. And I mean, the scrubbing action then, like I said, from the coarse side here, really does a number and gets it cleaned up really quick. So there you go, you guys. MiracleWipes, go check them out for paint removal from clothing, from cloth, for overspray, for cleaning up your hands after you're done painting. You can even use them around the house. You can use them for paint prep too, it said too. How cool is that? So go check them out. Thanks.